Until now, we have been using Perplexity for totally ad-free, but now Perplexity also introduced their ad version and how that ad revenue generates revenue and how their pricing strategy works and how they are going to pay to the creators, like how Spotify do, how YouTube do. A certain amount of percentage goes to the creator. I'm going to explain this all in this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me tell you the Perplexity ad format. Number 1, sponsored question. So Perplexity is going to ask you a follow-up questions that will appear alongside the search results. These ads will be labeled as the sponsored ads, but the answers themselves are generated by Perplexity, not the advertiser. And number 2, display ads. So these display ads positioned next to the search results and the video ads placed into the prominent location throughout the platform. And number 3, contextual relevance. So these ads are designed to blend naturally into the search experience, aiming to engage user without disturbing their flow or the search intent. So this approach sets Perplexity apart from any other traditional search engine like Google, where sometimes paid placements often overshadow the organic results. The topic number 2 is, so what will be the pricing strategy for the advertisers? So Perplexity has set some high standards here, where every other platform like Facebook and Google charges $2.5 per CPM, which means 1,000 only click-through rate. They are going to charge only $2.5, where Perplexity is going to charge $50 per CPM, which means per 1,000 clicks. Perplexity is going to charge $50. So that's a huge difference. You might be thinking like, who is going to pay $50 for advertising on a search engine? But there are advertisers who are going to pay. So let me break down for you by targeting the premium audience. So this high CPM reflects Perplexity's focus on targeting premium advertisers, those who want to reach high value engaged audience that's more likely to interact with their ads or make a purchase through it. Companies like Nike, Adidas, or maybe a Zomato, something like that. Big companies which definitely target a high potential consumer. Number 2, quality over quantity. Unlike Google and Facebook, which rely on mass advertising with lower budgets, Perplexity emphasizes quality over quantity. So advertisers will face less competition and gain access to more niche and valuable audience. This strategy is aimed at advertisers who want to target effective audience rather than bulk visibility. So Perplexity's ad revenue model is not just about chasing general traffic, it's about reaching users who are more likely to convert into customers. Personally, I really liked this ad revenue model because it ensures advertisers with higher budgets compete for the ad space, creating a sense of exclusivity for the user. And Perplexity maintains a balance between the monetization and the user experience, unlike the platforms that rely heavily on the inclusive low cost. So let's talk about the revenue sharing model, which is inspired by totally Spotify, which is another exciting aspect of Perplexity's approach. Arvind Srinivasan, Perplexity's co-founder, himself mentioned that the revenue sharing model is inspired by the Spotify at a Stanford event. So let's break it down how it works. So just like artists create music for the Spotify, creators and publishers produce high quality content backed by the facts and the search. If their content shows up in the Perplexity result, they will earn percentage of their advertising revenue generated. So this model is win-win situation for the company and the creator, both of them. How so? So publishers get paid for the work, motivating them to create even more valuable content, where Perplexity gain access to the high quality, trustworthy content, enhancing the user experience. In my perspective, this ad revenue sharing model will change the whole trajectory of a search engine forever. The introduction of ads in AI-driven search results is not just about monetization. It's a game changer for the entire digital advertising landscape. Perplexity's ad revenue model and its focus on the quality or quantity are reshaping how we think about advertising and search. So advertisers are paying a premium for the more engaged and niche audience, while creators get rewarded for their content appearing in the search results. So this approach could redefine the user behavior and challenge traditional advertisers and challenge traditional advertising methods across the board. The days of cluttered low-quality ads in search results may be numbered as Perplexity pushes the boundaries of what search engine can be. So this is the Perplexity's ad revenue model. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.